Instructions for intelligent lock installation. Front lock, rear lock, front lock rubber pad, rear lock rubber pad, lock body, battery, card, key, lock body screws, rear lock screws, square bar, sleeve. Handle reversing. Adjust the direction of the front handle according to the need, and unscrew the fixing screws of the handle. Screw the handle on the screw hole and tighten the screws. If the handle has resilience, the adjustment is complete. After adjustment, the direction of the front and rear handles should be opposite. Installation steps. Install the front lock sleeve and tighten with pliers. Install the front lock rubber pad. Adjust the reversing sleeve according to the need. For single blade lock, the arrow of the reversing sleeve should point to the middle. In the video, it is a double deadbolt lock, and the door opening direction is left-handed open or right-handed open, so the arrow of the reversing sleeve should be upturned. Insert the perforated end of the square bar into the square hole in the front lock handle position and fix it with a cotter pin through the hole on the clutch accessory and square bar. Note: fold the cotter pin with pliers. Adjust the reversing sleeve. In the video, it is a double deadbolt lock, and the door opening direction is right-handed open, so the triangle of the reversing sleeve should be upturned. Open the rear lock battery box lid. Install the lock body. Screw the lock body screw. Install the front lock and pay attention to threading the USB cable through the door hole first to avoid crushing the cable. Cut the square bar according to the thickness of the door, and measure the square bar from the door inside surface and reserve a length of 1 foot. Connect the front and rear lock USB cables. Organize the excess USB cable ends of them into the door gap. Install the rear lock and align it with the square rod and install it. Install the rear lock screw. Align the front and rear locks and tighten the screws. Install the battery. Long press 5 seconds to restore factory setting. Cover the battery lid. The installation is completed.